Welcome to English Learning from Scratch. In this lesson, the topic is Internet vocabulary. You will learn simple and useful words that help you talk about how people use the Internet in daily life. The Internet is a worldwide network that connects millions of computers and devices. It allows people to send messages, find information, and share data instantly from one part of the world to another. It is the main system that connects everything online. A website is a group of connected web pages that you can open using the Internet. Each website has its own address called a web address or a URL. For example, a school website might show announcements, events, and homework for students. Every website is designed to share information or provide services. A web browser is a program on your computer or phone that helps you open and view websites on the Internet. It sends your request to the website and shows the pages on your screen. Common browsers include Google Chrome, Mozilla Firefox, Safari, and Microsoft Edge. A search engine is an online tool that helps you find information quickly. You type in a word or question, and it shows a list of web pages that match it. Popular search engines are Google, Bing, Yahoo, and DuckDuckGo. They help you explore the Internet more easily. To search means to look for information on the Internet using a search engine. When you type a question like weather today or English grammar tips, the search engine gives you pages that may have the answer. Searching is the first step to finding accurate information online. To download means to copy a file or data from the Internet and save it on your device. This could be a song, video, picture, or document. When you download something, the information travels from a website to your computer or phone, so you can use it offline. To upload means to send a file or data from your device to the Internet. For example, when you post a photo on social media or send a document to the cloud, you are uploading it. Uploading moves data from your device to an online space where others can access it. Download and upload are opposite actions. When you download, you take data from the Internet to your device. When you upload, you send data from your device to the Internet. For example, saving a picture from a website is downloading, and posting a picture online is uploading. In summary, you have learned important Internet words such as website, browser, search, download, and upload. These words describe how people find, share, and use information online. Understanding them will help you talk about Internet activities more clearly and confidently in English.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.